Hey everybody, so today we're going to do a little bit of translations. So translations are one of the three rigid transformations we can apply to figures. So the first thing we start with is a pre-image, and then we're going to create an image, right? So here we have the translation rule for our first one, which is x comma y plus 6. So the x value is not changing, the y value is, and the y value is increasing by 6. So the first one we're going to do, I'll show you how to do this algebraically. So what I want to do is write the coordinates of all four of these points. So J is going to be -1, -2. K is going to be -1, 1, 2, 3, -3. H is going to be 4, -5. And I is going to be 2, -1. Okay? So now we're going to go ahead and write J prime, K prime, H prime, and I prime. So these are the coordinates after the translation has been applied. So J prime, the x value does not change, but the y value goes up by 6. So 6 plus -2 would, 6, -2 plus 6 would be 4. Okay. So K, we're gonna, okay, so again we're adding 6 to the y value, so -3 plus 6 would be +3, so it's be -1, +3. And then H prime, we have 4 as our x value, -5 plus 6 is +1. And then I prime, so 2 is our x value, then -1 plus 6 is 5. So let's plot these, so -1, 4, so left 1, then 1, 2, 3, 4. And then K, so left 1, up 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's J prime, and that's K prime. And 4, 1, so 4, 1, that's our H prime. And I prime, 2, 5, so up here. Okay, so a few things. One, I'll put the light on. One, you'll notice that these two shapes are congruent. This is what we call a rigid transformation. So these preserve congruency. Translations preserve congruency. So this is the same shape and the same size as the pre-image. This is the pre-image. This is the image. Pre-image. Okay? So we're basically just shifting it up. Now, this is an easier and quicker way than doing this the way I did it. So I'm going to show you that. So we could think of this in terms of arrows. Nothing changes here, but this goes up 6. So here we're going x plus 1. So that means right 1 and y plus 6 and up 6. So let's go ahead and do that. So right 1, 1, then up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's I prime. Then right 1 up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's J prime. And then right 1 up 6. So 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's H prime. Okay, that's a lot faster. It's not asking for the coordinates, so no big deal. Here we go. So x minus 4, that means you're going left 4, and then y plus 3 going up 3. So left 4 up 3, so 1, 2, 3, 4, then up 3, 1, 2, 3. That's R prime. Then T, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 3. That's going to be T prime. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and that is going to be S prime. Okay. So here we have right 3 and down 1. So we'll do H first. 1, 2, 3, down 1, that's H prime. Then 1, 2, 3, and down 1, that's I prime. Then 1, 2, 3, and down 1, that is G prime. There we go. Okay, write a rule to describe each transformation. So we're starting here, we're ending up there. We can tell because this has no tick marks. I'll zoom in so you can see a little better. You can tell this is the prime because of the notation there. So we're going to start at H, go to H prime. So we're going left, how many? 1, 2, 3. So if we're going left, it means we're subtracting from x. So it's x minus 3. And then up how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're adding 7 to y because we're going up. And there we go. You can do it with arrows too, actually. So S to S prime. It doesn't matter which of these points you pick as long as you start with a pre-image. So we're going left 1, up 3. So left 1 means x minus 1, and up 3 means y plus 3. Okay. So we're starting at J, and we're going to J prime. So let's see, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right, and up 3. So 4 to the right means x plus 4. And up 3 means we're going to have y plus 3. Okay, last one, not the last one, but number 8. We're starting at R. We're going to go to R prime. So we're going left 4, then up 2. So left 4 means x minus 4, and up 2 means y plus 2. There you go. Okay, this is asking us specifically for the coordinates, so I'm only going to do one of these because those do take quite some time. There, it's up. So, okay, and they're asking us for we're only asking for the coordinates of the points after the transformation, so let's go ahead and do this. We're going to speed up a little bit. So this is going to be left 2 and up 5. They're not asking us for the coordinates of the pre-image, so, I mean, you should do that, but if you're pressed for time, you can do it this way as well. So left 2, 1, 2, then up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's J prime. And then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's I prime. Then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's K prime. So this should be congruent, and it is. So J prime is going to be negative 2, positive 3. I prime is going to be negative 2, positive 1. K prime is going to be negative 5, 0. Okay, I'm not going to do the others because, well, I guess, no, I'll do them. Why not? Let's do them. We have time. All right, so we're going to go right 2 and down 8. So let's go 1, 2, then down 8. So 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's going to be R prime. So 1, 2, then down 8 will be S prime. Down 2, right 2 and down 8, so let's see, it's 3, 5, that's Q prime. Okay, so R prime is 5, negative 3, S prime is 5, negative 5, and Q prime, how do I put it there? It should be in the, yeah, no, it should be there, I'm doing the right spot. Q prime is going to be 3, negative 5. Okay. Okay, here we're going left 5 and up 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops, what am I doing? And up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. And that's C prime. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's D prime. Then left 5, up 6. That's E prime. Then left 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then up 6. That's B prime. And that is a congruent figure, which it should be. So B prime is going to be negative 4, 1. C prime is going to be negative 4, positive 4. D prime is going to be negative 3, positive 4. And E prime is going to be 0, 1. Okay, last one. We have x plus 4. So we're going to go right 4 and then down 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, down 1, that's J prime. 1, 2, 3, 4, down 1, that's I prime. 1, 2, 3, 4, down 1, that's L prime. 1, 2, 3, 4, and down 1, that's K prime. Okay, so K prime is going to be 1, 1. J prime is going to be 2, 2. I prime is going to be 3, -1. And L prime is going to be 2, -4. Alright, so I hope that was helpful, guys. It was a little longer than I expected. Hopefully that was not too long. Let me know if you have any questions on this stuff. And yeah, thanks for watching.